What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some cheeseburger sliders. So, let's slide on into it. Let's glide. Let's get a little glide in our stride, and let's do the damn thing, shall we? That's right, buddy. Cheeseburger sliders. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, a slider, man? Who do you think you are? Nolan Ryan? Well, no, I'm not. I'm just a fat man that likes to cook. And I'm going to cook with you today. So, we're doing the sliders. Now, the slider, cool thing about the slider is you can pretty much do anything you want with the sliders. I've, of course, shown you how to do the ham and cheese sliders. You can do the Philly cheesesteak slider. You can do a barbecued pulled pork slider. Anything that you really want. Grilled cheese slider. I mean, the options are endless, but today we're going with the classic, the cheeseburger, because it's kind of a staple of summer, and it is summertime. And in the summertime when the weather is hot, we're going to be standing out here singing Mungo Jerry and drinking some mango baby. So, sip sip. Ah, wonderful. So, woo! Let's go ahead. We got our pan hot, and we're hot to trot. Let's go ahead and take our little beef patties and put them in there. Now today, I went ahead and I already had some pre-made little slider patties that I had. Now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, could you possibly get some ground beef and mash it up and make your own little slider? Could you make a mixture of sausage and beef? Well, sure you could, but you know me. And you know what I'm saying. I can talk with that shit. So, patties it is. Now, 6 of these total. Gonna be good, baby. Gonna be good. And, pretty much just like cooking a whole hamburger. No difference except it's the mini-meat version. So, we've got our burgers in. Let's go ahead and add a little salt and pepper, baby. Just for flavor. Start with that salt and sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Not too much because, you got a tiny little patty there. The mini. So, now, that's black pepper too. And I like to put that on there a little heavy, sir. So, good stuff. And, for good measure, let's go ahead and make it the Trinity. A little garlic salt, too. Just a touch, not too much, because, we want old Count Dracula to come visit. So, now, about the time you get your seasoning on, time to flip, baby. Flipper. Now, go ahead and put that spatula under there. And, boy, let me tell you what, these are going to be good for you. It is, a cheeseburger always makes me think of summertime. And that's what we need right now. That's what I need right now. Some good, clean summer fun. I want to be out there with the super soaker and water balloons and out there chasing Mr. Tasty like Pete and Pete. I want that ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by like Van Halen. Double one. Got you on the 2 right there. So, flip your burgers over and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now, these burgers won't take very long to cook, but it is beef. So, I would say, 15, 20 minutes or so. While those burgers cook, I'm going to stand here and drink my mango. And we will come back and put these things together, baby. We'll be ready to have that big old bite. So, I'll see you in just a hot minute. Whew, and it is hot. Alright, buddy, the burgers are done. And we're ready to put this whole damn thing together. So, let's go ahead and start. First thing that you got to do, go ahead and grab your teeny tiny little roll there. And today, I just went ahead and got some old rolls that were made at the store, pre-made. Now, of course, you can, mix your flour and stuff and make some homemade rolls. And you can put them in the oven and take there and sit all day and talk with Grandma Spell about the good old days and the Beach Boys and stuff like that. But you know me, I get time for that shit. So, the pre-store bought it is today. Now, go ahead and split your roll in half, and then we go get us one of these little burgers here. And I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this today. Now, like I say, you can do it pretty much any way you want to, but I'm going to show you 2 tried and true methods. Now, first thing you got to do is go ahead and get that burger and put it on top. We're going to make the classic first. Then, I want you to get a piece of yellow cheese. Fold it in half and tear it in half. And then take that half and fold it in half again and put it on top of your burger. Now, see, you got a little nice piece of cheese to tuck in there, sir. Next, how about that catsup? That good stuff. And just a little drop. Not much because you ain't got a whole lot of room to work with here. So, then a little moustache. Pop that thing open if you can find the edge on it. And put some of that on top of there too. Now, you're saying, Black Owl, where's the lettuce, pickles, tomatoes, all this stuff? Well, it ain't here. I just ain't got it. And to be honest with you, with this slider, you don't want a whole big old lot of stuff on there because you gotta, hold it together. So, act accordingly. Now, there is our classic burger. Now, with the other one, I kind of made like a spicy jalapeno deal. What I did was the same deal. Put the burger down, put the cheese down. Then you want to add a little jalapeno, baby. And some of that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. That good. So, once you get your burgers done, let's stand back and take a sight and take a bite of these little sweeties. These cheeseburger sliders, perfect for summer tonight. And I'm feeling it heavy. It must be summer because it's hot in here, man. Oh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The cheeseburger slider is done. And I'm having that first bite for old El Capitan. So, let's grab this little dude up and see what it's talking about. You know what I'm talking about? Woo. Man. The perfect burger. And a little handheld snacky bite. The minute I bit into that thing, all I could picture was sitting out watching a baseball game, not the, probably like a minor league game. Cold beer in hand, hot weather. Kids running around having fun with the super soakers and stuff like that. That's just an American classic, baby. It's like a 70s Ford Mustang cruising down the road right into your gut, and it tastes delicious, baby. So, I want to thank all of you for cruising by and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that little slider. And I'll see you next time, buddy. That's a hell of a combo right there, buddy. Woo!